flourishing. And I know it just a easy high. I have this man lakini iko on the down.
When life throws curveballs, use them to play and have fun. Allow yourself to experience all the moments, both good and bad. The laws of life are an experience as well. Allow yourself to laugh, cry, and experience love as it comes, life as it comes. If it was possible to give all my blessings to you, I would. And every time you walk into an interview room, walk knowing you deserve to be in that room, because you have your whole family believing in you and loving you. Thank you.
Unajua zinamaanisha nini? Ngemi ni blessings. Unajua zinamaanisha nini? Ulipewa ngemi ngapi? 4. Mimi nitakwambia hizo ngemi zote 4. These are blessings to you. As you move in life, these are blessings to you. Ngemi ya kwanza ni tango ogo na Ukikuyu, si ndio? Ogo. Hiyo ni God given talent. God's given talent. I'm speaking God's given talent over your life. So, number 2, nitango odhamaki. Rulership. Rulership. I'm speaking rulership over your life. You're going to be a big person. You're going to rule. Ngemi ya 3, nitango otoga. Otoga ni nini? Wealth and abundance. Jerry, you're going to be wealthy. You're going to be abundant. So, ngemi ya 4, nitango oradhi. Unajua nini? Perceptiveness. Have you ever seen an eagle? Ikitaka ku
tunakupenda sana, na hasa vile umeendesha familia yako, kwa sababu hii familia yako na hawa watoto, hata huyu mtoto kufika hiyo kiwango amefika, you have done that single-handedly. And I have never heard even one day watoto wako wamefukuzwa shule kwa sababu wamekosa school fees. Na hiyo ni jambo moja imefanya sisi kama wazazi wako kuwa very proud of you. You have worked so hard to make sure your children will get the best education. And that one, we congratulate your effort, and also we appreciate your effort so much. And I wish all the other model as you have done. It doesn't matter whether you are single or whether you are a family or you are many, but